Today we are going to be making hot chocolate by Joshua Weissman. Before we started, I will explain you a little bit what we are going to do. First is the hot chocolate with instant hot chocolate powder and milk. The second one is the hot chocolate but homemade with chocolate, cocoa powder and with a little bit of sugar. The third one is Italian hot chocolate. It's a little bit thick. And the fourth one, it's a Mexican hot chocolate. It's a little bit spicy with cinnamon, chili, you will see. At the end, we will try all of them and we will see which one is the best. Let's start it!
You'll find all the ingredients that you need in the description. So, you need 20 grams of hot chocolate mix and hot milk, of course. Stir it up until the chocolate powder is dissolved. Extra, I add some marshmallow for extra flavor. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your
Let's try it.
good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you
It's good.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a
It's good,
Merry Christmas.
but not enough.
You a Merry Christmas and a happy.
Let's start to the second one.
Let's start by pouring into a pot 236 milliliters of milk. Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you. Continue by adding 18 grams of cream and 80 grams of brown sugar, 2 grams of vanilla extract, 13 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
Let's try the second one. It's hot. Definitely it's better. I want to eat some marshmallow. Good. But I want to see the third one. Italian hot chocolate.
Tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish. Put into a pot 113 grams of dark chocolate, has to be around 50-60% of cocoa, and add some milk. Add 30 grams of granulated sugar and 6 grams of cocoa powder. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Separately, mix 9 grams of cornstarch with a pinch of salt and some milk. The milk has to be from the total of 355 milliliters of whole milk. To you and your kin, good tidings for Christmas and a happy New Year. Pour it into the melted chocolate and mix it very, very well. And now it's time to add the rest of the milk. And a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. For extra flavor,
You can serve it with whipping cream and also some grated chocolate.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I love it. I think it's the best hot chocolate. I'm very curious about the Mexican hot chocolate, but definitely this one is the best. It's my favorite hot chocolate, Italian thick hot chocolate. Perfect, perfect for me. The next one. Into a pot, add 226 grams of dark chocolate and 18 grams of brown sugar, vanilla extract in my case, or you can add half of vanilla bean, a pinch of salt, cinnamon stick toasted, you can toast it in the oven, and chili. Has to be dry chili, but I didn't find any dry chili, so let's use a piece from this fresh chili. Okay, I'm not sure exactly if it's enough. Let's put another piece. Okay, and the final ingredient is the milk. 355 milliliters of milk, and it's time to stir it up until the mix is very well combined.
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some.
When the chocolate is melted, we have to leave the mix to sit for 10-15 minutes, and after that we have to remove the chili and the cinnamon out from the mix. This hot chocolate is special not because we use cinnamon or chili, it's also about the texture. Use a blender or a hand mixer like me and use it at high speed until the mix is smooth. Believe me, you won't regret.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Oh my god. So, it's very creamy. You can feel the cinnamon but not very strong. And it's not very spicy. It's perfect. So, it's very difficult. Italian or Mexican. Thick chocolate, both. Thick, creamy. And the winner is both of them, Italian, Mexican. It's very difficult to decide because I love the Italian hot chocolate. It's thick and the taste, it's amazing. Mexican with the cinnamon and the chili flavor, it's perfect and it's not very strong. So for me, both of them are the best. They are the winner. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with a very interesting and nice and amazing Christmas. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. This really helping us, and put the bell on to see all the time when we upload a new video. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.